Look at this big place full of grass. It's called a grassland. When it's spring, lots of pretty flowers grow here. Do you see many trees? Nope, grasslands don't have a lot of trees. Lots of animals love the grasslands though. Look, there's a hopping grasshopper, and a flying butterfly, and quick little rabbits, and mice. What other animals can you spot?
Grasslands are all around the world.
Sometimes people call them plains, prairies, or savannas. So next time you see a big field of grass, remember, it's a grassland, a home to many wonderful animals and beautiful flowers.
Don't forget to subscribe.